Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your OKX account or log into your account. So once you're done with logging in, so what you're going to do, you're going to go and hit on your assets here. Click on your assets and then choose the withdraw option. So click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw here, so this will take you to the withdraw page here where you'll be able to plug in the details of your withdrawal. So once this loads, okay, so once this loads here, so what we're going to do, we're going to plug in the details of our withdrawal. So select the crypto that you want to withdraw. So in this case it's going to be USDT. So select our USDT. Just make sure that your account is verified in order to do all these withdrawals. I've not verified mine just for this. I'm not doing it just for, I'm just doing this for this demo video only. So select USDT, that's your crypto, and then the withdrawal method, select on chain and then hit on next. When you click on next, then it will ask you, it will prompt you to enter the withdrawal address and the amount that you wish to withdraw. So put the amount you wish to withdraw and then the withdrawal address. That's the address of your Binance account. So just you can get the deposit address from your Binance account. So you can just log into your Binance account and get it from there, and then plug that in, and then once verify everything and then hit on next and then just complete the transaction. So by doing so, you'll be able to send from your OKX to your Binance account, and that's how you can send your USDT. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.